Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name here is Amelia. You can go and search for me as Emilyahardworking. Yeah, and guys, please, if you are new here, welcome back, and I thank you for coming to my channel. I thank you for tuning into my channel. Yeah, and if you are the returning subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. Continue watching until the end. Guys, you can see it's too early in the morning. It's already 6. Okay guys, and okay, good morning guys. Here in Kenya it's morning. Okay, it's morning already, 6 a.m. and I thank God that I slept well. I woke up very well, and thanks to God. So guys, you can see I'm ready washing the utensils. I woke up early in the morning. I prepared the kids. They are now at school. Yeah, they went to school early at 5, and now I'm just washing this few utensils that they use to take breakfast. And yeah guys, you can see what I'm doing here. Please guys, I just want to support this girl Amelia here by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and do everything the needfuls, guys, and yeah, I'm going to appreciate a lot. So guys, I'm just cleaning. Remember, I'm cleaning here in the kitchen. After cleaning here in the kitchen, I will have to go to the sitting room to start washing the sitting room, and then after sitting room, I'll finish with the toilet, and then the kitchen, guys, because I start with the sitting room, and then the last place to clean is the kitchen. So guys, you can see outside. See how outside is dark, guys. And guys, you can see how I look dark because lights inside here, they are not clear. These lights here in the house are not clear. So when you look at me, you can think that I'm that dark, but guys, I'm not that dark. I hope you always watch my videos. And guys, you can see the difference between this video and other video. It looks like this because the light inside here is dim, and yeah, it's not that bright. Okay, and now when you look at the things, you can think that everything is dark, but no. So guys, go to my YouTube channel and search for Emilyahardworking. Remember, I changed my name, so I'm calling my channel Emilyahardworking. Tell your friends, everyone that you know, to search for Emilyahardworking, and then guys, allow them subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know what you think about my video, okay? And if you haven't watched the previous videos, please go and check it, and please watch it until the end. Okay guys?
Like I woke up in a ditch, like I was run over by a train. I've been looking for ways to get on, but I've been hungry for days, thinking, is this what I deserve? God, I really don't know, but I keep looking for ways to get on. Look what my struggles pay. Praying for the rain to stop, praying for a fair heat, I've been looking for ways to get on, but my hunger won't leave. But then, when it couldn't get any worse, the tables turned, and now I'm staring down my way to get up. Such a beautiful scene. Now the tables have turned, for the better, not worse, and my hunger is no longer clouding up my mind. Now the tables have turned, I'm no longer the worst, and my hunger is no longer clouding up my mind. Change your scenery to be treated equally. Guess it's a small step for the world, a giant leap for a man. The bottom has its ways to keep asking for more and more from you, but I did on the side of the way. I wish I could get up. mind.
So let me move into the now. Let me just cleaning again. After that, I will start cleaning the toilet and then I clean up the kitchen. Okay, guys, because I can't jump the toilet and have toilet near close to cooking room, so I have to finish it and then I get the kitchen. Then when I finish the kitchen, now I just rest a little. I just rest a little 2 minutes and then I start it after. Oh, okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for hello, hello. Good morning once again. You can see now I'm done with the sitting, done with everything there. I have already arranged there. Now I'm in the toilet. As you can see, guys, one thing with this toilet, the only problem with this toilet you are seeing, it's too small. This is just a toilet. There is no bathroom here and it's too small, guys. You can't even fit here very, very well. You can see I'm just squeezing. I'm trying to squeeze. Yeah, so let me just squeeze and find the way to clean this toilet. And guys, I'm using the boom, and yeah, you can see what I'm using to use. And yeah, so guys, I don't know what you normally use when you wash your toilets, but me, I use this. Yeah, you can see I'm using two stuffs, and yeah. So guys, let me just try and wash. Hi guys, I'm really really trying. Yeah, I'm trying, but sorry for the lights. Our lights inside here is not doing good. Yeah, but don't ask why, because I have already explained. That's why I'm explaining, so that you won't start complaining. Okay. So guys, welcome again, welcome once again, and guys, I'm really really thankful. I'm really really I'm really thankful for what you are doing. Without you guys, without your effort, for those who have already subscribed and they are coming back to watch, guys, may God bless you. May you have everything in your life. Don't lack anything. May God bless you so much, and may other people support you. Okay, so guys, as I said, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You can see, guys, I have a long way to go. I still have a long, long way to go, but I know that I'm going to reach there. Yeah, I'm going to reach there. I won't give up. I have to push until I reach. So, guys, please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Guys, I'm telling you now. Sorry, I'm really, really tired. So, guys, I'm almost to finish, yeah. And guys, I hope you saw me how I kicked the carpet. I kicked that carpet. I think that's why I'm too tired. Yeah. You know, I always kick that carpet so that every dirty can come out. So because of kicking that carpet, guys, I'm feeling that I don't feel good. I feel like I'm really tired and I need to rest. So I think this is the end of the video. I want you to subscribe, share everything you know what to do. Just please allow me to hit that 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. So guys, I'm just finishing this place. Um, After finishing this place, I'm going to rest a bit. After resting, so that I can now continue with the other work, with the other stuff. I have a lot of stuffs to do, and I hope I'm going to manage it by myself. So comment, please, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, subscribe and like, and let me know what you think about my video. Please, guys. That can make me happy, and I'm really happy for